Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook a Zinger burger. We'll start by preparing our star ingredient, the chicken. First, marinate your chicken breasts in a flavorful mixture of buttermilk and spices for at least 30 minutes. Then, gently pound them to an even thickness of about 1/2 inch. This ensures they cook perfectly. Finally, set up your dredging station with seasoned flour and a wet batter. Now for the magic. Take your marinated chicken and coat it thoroughly in the seasoned flour. Then dip it into the wet batter and back into the flour for that extra crispy crust. Heat your oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and carefully fry the chicken for about 6 to 8 minutes. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for a safe and delicious meal. With your crispy chicken ready, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Lightly toast your burger buns to add a lovely texture and enhance their flavor. Next, spread a generous amount of your favorite mayonnaise or a zesty spicy sauce on both halves of the bun. Then, layer fresh, crisp lettuce, your perfectly fried chicken fillet, and a slice of cheese if you like. It's coming together beautifully. Congratulations, you've just created an incredible Zinger burger. For the ultimate experience, serve your burger immediately to enjoy its maximum crispiness and flavor. Don't forget to pair it with your favorite side dishes, perhaps some golden fries or a refreshing coleslaw. Get ready to savor every delicious, spicy, and crunchy bite of your homemade creation. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.